Hey people, how y'all doing? Today I was just I didn't do anything, no, I didn't do much, but I think it's just the hair that is giving me these vibes. Yes, let me be changing. Everybody in the office today, Chika, you're looking so beautiful. See what I do. Maybe it's just the hair. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel, guys. I don't know how this vlog is gonna go or how it's gonna progress, but let's just start it anyways. Thank you so much for the love of my previous vlog. That's my anniversary vlog. Yes, thank God we are 6 years in marriage. It's not by our power, it's by the power of the special grace of God. Please just take a minute to appreciate this hair. Tell me, how do you, if you like this hair, just let me know in the comment section. Let me know. Or is it the color? Everything is just given. It is shake. It is shake. I didn't do makeup. I just put some eyeliner and my red lipstick. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to this space, I have some few subscribers. My name is Chika Oputa, a YouTuber based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Yes, channel is about motherhood, lifestyle, and everything in between. Okay, how are you people doing? How is work? How is family? How is everything? Let's gist. I think today is gonna be just with me as I ride home. Where is the car key? Let's go. Comparing life and our parents, their timing, which one is better? Like those days you have black and white television, and today you have flat screens, smart TVs, and the rest. How do, like, if we were born in the 90s, you understand, and 80s, or rather 70s, so let's compare life then and now. Is it better? Black and white television with smart TV, which do you prefer? Or 3310 and iPhone 16 Pro Max? Or is it the latest Samsung Fold? Which life is better? Which do you prefer? The innovation now, is it making the world to evolve to a better place than how it was before? Because I could remember back then, let me not say life was good though. Let me not say, because I never to sabi anything as I then, but at least to an extent things were beat somehow. And today we thank God for innovations and how far technology has brought us. But let's compare and contrast, and let's know your take in the comment section. Those days that we use lantern, and now that we use rechargeable bulbs. I know that if you ever watch lamp, let us know in the comment section. You know, the glove, when it's almost 6 o'clock, moms will tell you, hey, gas a share lamp. Oh. Everybody will understand what I mean. It uses kerosene. Go. You use kerosene, you wash it very well, so the lamp will be sparkling clean. Bye bye. What do you prefer? Let's know. Okay, I'll catch you all later. Going for taking all the things that we need to use to buy something. They're shopping for back to school. Do they actually buy everything from the beginning? Because I really don't get it. Every section will be hearing back to school shop. Or could it be that or could it be just for content sake? Maybe, just maybe. So the back to school shopping thing is always very obviously we're not just buying for the children, we're also buying for the family actually. So, and I'm on my way home. I want to make ripe unripe plantain with potato porridge for my household tomorrow. If you've tried it, let me know. With smoked fish and scent leaf. I've made it before and it tasted really good. And I know this time it's going to taste even better. So we just checked in. Today is another day in the life, in the week. Today is Tuesday and I've closed from work. I've picked up a few things I want to pick from the store. I want to pick some decent leaf from the local markets with smoked fish, smoked mackerel fish or banana. Any of them will do. So I will head home and call it a day. So maybe tomorrow when I'm preparing lunch, school lunch, I'll carry you guys along. Tomorrow early morning is always very chaotic in the mornings, so I don't get to vlog that part of my life because of I'll be rushing to meet up with work, I'll be rushing to meet up with school lunch and make sure there's food for people in the farm. Possibly I'll be able to make my video now. I'm at the local market, so I just want to get down and pick up a few things and I'll call it a day, like I mentioned. So off to the market I go. This is actually my first time trying this sunscreen. If you know this sunscreen and it's good, let me know. I just recommended this because I usually use Skin by Aqua and they didn't have it, and this C3 face tone. The two new skincare products I got today.
2,000 years later.
Bye. It's no longer weathering. I stopped by at the mall to see whether I could get one or two things, but I don't know. The store is empty today. I don't know why. It's just so empty. By God's grace, this weekend promises to be an interesting one. Tomorrow I'll go to the market. I just hope I'll get the strength. I'll do a market vlog. It's been a while I did that. I've done that once on this channel and I hope I'm able to do it again. And Sunday, by God's grace, okay, after I go to the market, if I'm able to cook, I'll come back, cook, go do my hair. I don't know what to do. I want to do my hair and my nails. Maybe stitch braid, maybe Ghana weaving or one. I'm tired of wigs. Then do my nails. Sunday, by God's grace, we'll take the children to any park to pack. Then we'll call it a weekend. So I don't know what, I think I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you guys for watching my video. You've seen this weekly, this is just a week in the life, what I do after work, because I can't carry you guys all through my day because it's going to be boring. So this is just what I do after work. Go home, catch up with the kids, the next day go on. I think my next vlog I'll try my possible best to do a week in the life, so you see how it goes sequentially. Okay, so I think we should just call it a vlog right now, because TGIF. If I get a strike, okay, I think we will call it a weekend. Thank God it's Friday. I'm going home to do my own thank God it's Friday. Nothing much. It's already dark. This is currently 6:44 at the moment. Who are you? This is currently 6:44 and everywhere is already getting dark, and this video is not going to be so bright anymore. So I don't want this vlog to be so long. By God's grace, to end it here, but if we are not able to end it here, we'll go through the remaining. Okay, talk to you guys later. This is your girl Chika Oputa signing out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment. Bye. Getting ready to go to the market. We're doing down soon.